Good morning from San Juan, Puerto Rico, a city where history, culture, and natural beauty blend seamlessly. From its pristine beaches to its lively streets, San Juan offers a unique experience you won't find anywhere else in the Caribbean. Whether you're a history lover, a beach bum, a foodie, or a nightlife seeker, San Juan has something for everyone. And today, I'm going to take you through the best spots, hidden gems, and local favorites that make this city unforgettable. So grab your sunscreen, put on some comfortable shoes, and get ready to dive into San Juan with us. Let's go explore.
Can I see lunch?
Ready to go to San Juan?
Me.
Bak bak bak. Bak bak.
San Juan in Puerto Rico.
Oh my God, here we go again. Well, there's a rooster over here.
Welcome to Old San Juan. Walking through these streets is like stepping back in time. With its colorful colonial buildings, cobblestone streets, and historic landmarks, this place is truly one of a kind. Founded in 1521, Old San Juan is actually one of the oldest settlements in the Americas. This city was built by the Spanish to protect their valuable Caribbean port, and the architecture here reflects that history in every corner. One of the things I love most about Old San Juan is the architecture. The buildings here are painted in every color of the rainbow, and these intricate balconies and ironwork give each street so much character.
Look, down there, a lizard. Grandma, look, can you see it? So cute. There's lots of guys, kitties. Coffee shop first?
Yeah.
2 kitties.
Where's the coffee shop?
There's lots of pets over there, right?
Coffee?
Get something, come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yep. Okay.
Rock,
my-
paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, Capri gets to go first. How was it, Capri? Well, that was your first bite, man. Whoa.
No!
If it's good, go. If it's not good, go. Ooh.
Oh, this one?
Hey, sure. Hey, Jen. Don't forget the.
It has a little bit of Nutella in it too.
A little bit of Nutella? Wow. That's really good. Did you try some?
Not yet.
You better get another one. That's good, girl.
Nutella.
So you're sure you like it?
I'm gonna marry this thing.
Oh, what about the Grinch?
What am I the Grinch and this thing?
I wonder if the Grinch would like that croissant.
Maybe if it add little bugs in it.
If you had what?
A little bugs in it.
Okay.
Yo, don't want to eat bugs. We put chocolate on.
You sure did.
This on top.
Show the camera all the chocolate in the middle. Wow.
Wait, having a bite?
Oh, here we go.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
Really good.
If you're in San Juan and looking for an authentic coffee experience, Don Ruiz is the place to be. Not only is the coffee, and apparently the chocolate croissants, incredible, but the passion for Puerto Rican culture and history makes it unforgettable. Alright, we've had our caffeine fix, now it's time for our next stop. Welcome to Castillo San Felipe del Morro, or just El Morro as the locals call it. This fortress is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Puerto Rico and has guarded San Juan Bay for nearly 500 years. This wide, grassy area in front of the fortress is one of San Juan's most popular spots for families to relax, have picnics, and fly kites. It's such a beautiful open space with a perfect breeze coming off the ocean. People have been enjoying this view for centuries. This area was originally an open field to keep enemy forces at a distance. Today, it's a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike, blending history with a fun, family-friendly atmosphere. El Morro was built by the Spanish in the early 1500s to protect San Juan from seafaring enemies, especially pirates. Standing here, it's easy to imagine the ships approaching and the soldiers on guard, ready to defend the city. Inside El Morro, you can really feel the history. The walls are incredibly thick. Some are up to 18 feet. These narrow openings here were designed for cannons, allowing the soldiers to fire on any ships that tried to approach the city. The climb to the top of El Morro is totally worth it for these views. From here, you can see San Juan Bay, the open Atlantic Ocean, and the colorful buildings of Old San Juan behind us. Imagine the soldiers standing here centuries ago, keeping watch over the horizon. El Morro was built on 6 levels, each offering a unique perspective of the surrounding waters and the city. It's designed to be as intimidating as it is beautiful, with strategic vantage points that gave the defenders an advantage against incoming threats. These sentry boxes, or garritas, are one of El Morro's most iconic features. Soldiers would stand here on guard, watching for any sign of trouble. They're a symbol of Puerto Rican resilience and have become an emblem of the island itself. The garritas are not only a reminder of the fortress's military purpose, but also an architectural symbol of Puerto Rican pride. Their distinctive shape is instantly recognizable and can be seen in artwork and souvenirs across the island.
See that word up there that says Lauren? That says Lauren. Yep, it's my friend Lauren.
Where's it? Oh, right here. Yeah, your friend Lauren.
Let's go to a different part now. Let's go down to the lower level and see what there is to see. We spend a lot of time up here. Today, El Morro is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it attracts thousands of visitors every year who come to experience its beauty and history. It's amazing how this fortress, once so vital for defense, now brings people together from all over the world. Visiting El Morro isn't just about seeing an old fortress. It's about connecting with Puerto Rico's rich history and the spirit of its people. This place has stood the test of time and is still standing strong, just like the island itself. If you're ever in San Juan, El Morro is an absolute must-see. From its fascinating history to its breathtaking views, this fortress captures so much of what makes Puerto Rico special. Thanks for joining us on this journey back in time.
Well, it looks like we found the park with the pigeons.
Should we go, guys?
Capri, come on.
Next, we're visiting Chocobar Cortez, a San Juan favorite where everything is about chocolate. This cafe combines Puerto Rican flavors with the Cortez's family's rich tradition of chocolate making going back more than 90 years. This is more than just a cafe, it's a celebration of all things chocolate. From drinks to main courses, the chefs here find ways to incorporate chocolate in delicious, surprising ways. Chocobar Cortez combines sweet and savory in ways you wouldn't expect. You'll find dishes here like mofongo with a hint of chocolate, and their one-of-a-kind chocolate-infused cocktails.
There's chocolate chips inside.
Is that yummy?
There will be many other nights like this. There'll be other songs to sing, another fall, another spring. But there will never be another you.
Wow, what an incredible adventure it has been here in San Juan. From the historic forts and colorful streets to the amazing food and welcoming people, this city has so much to offer. San Juan is more than just a destination. It's a blend of old and new, where the vibrant culture, rich history, and natural beauty come together to create something truly unique. We're leaving today with so many unforgettable memories. Puerto Rico's spirit and resilience really shine here in San Juan. It's a place that celebrates its heritage while embracing all the beauty and diversity of today. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through San Juan. I hope this inspires you to come and experience the magic of Puerto Rico for yourself. Until next time, adios! And as they say here, nos vemos pronto!